It's a nice place, very nice, and it's very cold too. It's very cold, but it's nice. We 4 days here was very wonderful, and people are very friendly. It's nice. I think I will spend a good term with you.
For my first time traveling to the United States, it's a very great experience for me. And when I hear, I see everybody is very sympathetic. They are generous, and I see it's a very nice place here. I feel really comfortable.
I really interested to contribute to protect the birds, because in Haiti we have a lot of environmental problems, and I have this goal to set up an organization to contribute to protect biodiversity site. I think my experience here will help me to achieve this goal.